What kinds of marriages are acceptable for a spousal sponsorship in Canada? Today, I want to tell you about the spousal sponsorship marriage types because there are a lot of questions and people don't know if they are getting married, in which ways they are eligible to apply for permanent residency in Canada. One important note: when you get married, if you want your marriage to be legal in Canada and be able to sponsor your spouse, it's very important that you get married in person. What I mean is that your marriage must be registered officially in any country. It can be in any country as long as it is valid and legal in that country, and it has to be in person, because there are a lot of cases that people submitted their sponsorship application, they come to us for the appeal, or even they don't know how they need to proceed with the file. They just come here and say that, well, we submitted an application, or we want to submit an application, we got married on the phone, or it was online, or we actually assigned somebody to do that on behalf of us, and the rest of these stories. Please be careful that if you want to get married, if you want to sponsor your spouse to Canada, you should get married legally and in person. This is one note. Another thing now, and it's very important, in some countries you are permitted, you are allowed to get married even if you were married before and you are not divorced. You can get married for the second time or third time. But one thing that you should understand is that in Canada, it's not acceptable. So if you got married and you are not divorced yet, if you get married for another time and now you want to apply for permanent residency for your wife or for your husband to bring him or her to Canada, this marriage is not acceptable. Why? Because you were not divorced. So this is again another reason that many people don't know. They submit their application and then they want to appeal it. But actually this is a very important matter, very important issue. Because what you need to understand is that in Canada, you must be married at the same time only to one person. You cannot be married with different people. So if you were married before and you are not divorced and you get married, Canada doesn't accept this. So if you got married already, you must be divorced, then you can get married again, and now you can apply for permanent residency for this partner to bring him or her to Canada. These are important issues that we are dealing with for the sponsorship applications. What I want you to know is that if you have any questions about these things, if you are not sure, get consultations and then try to do the best thing, because you're going to waste your money, you're going to waste your time, and at the end of the day, you must do everything from the beginning. If you have any question regarding this, you can be in touch with us. Thank you.